Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly. Hey Miss Gabby! I am here at Family Dollar where they got different deals going on. We do not have a 5 off 25, but we still have some pretty good savings. So let's see what I can conjure up here at the local Family Dollar store. Maybe I'll try to stay around $10 maybe? I don't know. We'll see. So let's get into the first one. Alright, the first deal I'm going to do is on the Gain in our current ad, which I would show you, but this store doesn't have any ads out. But if you go on to the Family Dollar site, pull up the ad, they do have the Gain dish soap, 3 for $5, as well as we have a digital $1 off when you purchase 2. So I scanned this already and it does apply. Alright, the next item I will be picking up, but I want to let you know. Let me see. I don't know if it's this one here. It's supposed to be all the smaller packs that are, because nothing's labeled at the store as usual, that they are supposed to be $3.95. We have a $2 off coupon off of the All and Snuggles. So I'm gonna move down to the Snuggles down here, the shakers, if I can find them. Where are they? Okay, because it is supposed to be off. It says from 105 to 120 of those there. Then we have the liquid again, $3.95. Where are the Snuggle shakers? Oh, here they are. I didn't even look up. And then we have these right there. Okay, so I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna scan it, make sure that the coupon will stick. Okay. All right, and the next thing, but I don't think I don't know. I might purchase it. I'm still thinking on what I want to pick up. But the Tide is supposed to be $4.95 with a $2 off coupon, making it $2.95. Oh, and the Snuggles did attach. And let's see. We also have, because I have to keep going onto my phone and run to the front of the store because I don't get any signal in here. So I keep running to the front to scan and look at the ad. And we have 50 cents off of Fabuloso, but I don't think there's any Fabuloso. So, not getting that. Ooh. They have disinfecting wipes. That's pretty good. Oh, and they have the microban. And let's see, anything else? Oh, actually, ooh, there goes Fabuloso right there. So they're $2.75 with a 50-cent off coupon, making it $2.25. Actually, I found more. They're behind me. So this is where they were moved to. I think I'm going to get the lemon. Hopefully it scans and the coupon will attach. Alright, and the next item I'm going to pick up is actually, I want to do the Tide Pods. They are $4.95 regular price with a $2 off coupon, and that will make that $2.95. So, I'm going to take that. And I'm gonna add it to my bunch. And it should be, I haven't really done my calculations, but it should be $10 and some change more, I think. Nah, who cares? Let's see what happens at the register. Okay. There we go. Now let me type in my number. Oh my gosh, I hate when it does that. Why is it doing this? No, not you, Gibbs. I'm talking about the lighting. That's too much. Alright, so we're back home and taking a nice quick look at the items that was purchased here. These are all the things that I got from Family Dollar. Let's take a quick look at the receipt. So as you can see, $1 off does come off from when you purchase 3 of them. And then the Smart coupon came off as well, which is the $1 off of 2. Then we have the Snuggles. That was $3.95 with a $2 off coupon. Tide Pods, $4.95 with a $2 off coupon. And then the Fabuloso, that was $2.75 with a 50-cent off coupon. For all 6 items, it was $11.15, making each item $1.85. And we saved $5.50. Yay! Not bad for not having a 5 off 25. Each item was still less than $2, and this is normally 3 on its own. This is 4, which it's really $4.75 in the store. This is $4 on sale. These are normally 2, and then this is also $5. So again, not bad. All right, everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.